How to make money online in 2025. If you're looking for a side hustle or a new business idea for 2025, you may have thought about ways to make money online. When you know what you're doing, making money online is pretty straightforward. You can do it full time or part time right from the comfort of your home. According to a 2024 Side Hustle Nation survey, having an online business, such as blogging, podcasting, online courses, social media, YouTube, newsletters, and affiliate marketing, running an e commerce business, including selling on Amazon, eBay, Etsy, as well as setting up your own online store, are the most popular side hustles. As we mentioned above, there are a variety of ways that you can make money online. 1. Find freelance work. Freelance work is when you work for yourself and complete projects on a contract basis. Even if you take on a contract to work for a company, you are still self employed when you are a freelancer. And there are plenty of freelance jobs online. In fact, there are plenty of freelance websites that list jobs like Upwork, FlexJobs, and Solid Gigs are also excellent sites for freelancers who are looking for work. In general, you will not have to worry about any scam jobs at FlexJobs. They research the jobs very thoroughly and monitor everything very closely. You can find many niche jobs on FlexJobs. 2. Start a YouTube channel. There are many ways to make money online with a YouTube channel. The most popular way is to add AdSense ads to your videos. Every time someone clicks on your ad, you make money. You can also promote products in your videos on YouTube by wearing or using certain products in your videos.
Better. Three, start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping can be a simple and profitable business model. You don't have to pay for storing your inventory. Instead, you act as the go-between. Find suppliers online who will sell you products wholesale, then mark it up and earn a profit for yourself. Products wholesale, then mark it up and earn a profit for yourself. From computers and clothing to jewelry and health food, there are thousands of suppliers who can provide you with your inventory. When you do this, you will need to have your own website and slash or online store of your own to market and sell the products. 4, take online surveys. Believe it or not, you can make money online by taking surveys. There are online survey websites where you can take a survey in your spare time and earn gift cards or cash. Just keep in mind that some paid survey sites are better than others. 5, create a blog. Blogs are a popular money-making tool because they're easy to create and offer many routes to make money online. If you have some knowledge on a subject, you could create an online course and sell your expertise to people who come to your blog. If you don't have your own goods to sell, you could become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money online by promoting other people's goods on your site. 6, write and publish an ebook. If you have some measure of knowledge on any specific topic, you can always write and publish an ebook to make money online. Just be sure to write about a topic that is relevant to your blog. This will increase your chances of making a sale since your audience comes to your blog because of your topic or niche. You can also develop a newsletter list and email potential buyers about your ebook. 7, become a virtual tutor. Tutors are always in demand. Whether you are a teacher or someone with specific knowledge, you can help learners improve their grades and prepare for exams. Just keep in mind that you should have the teaching experience and a subject-specific certification. This will help create credibility for both parents and students. 8, become an influencer. Influencers are people who help persuade potential buyers of a product or service by promoting or recommending the items on social media or
9,
YouTube.
build websites.
Today, every business needs its own website. There is a huge market for web designers, and these days, you don't even need to know how to code in order to build a site. If you're building a website from scratch, you can even buy a domain through MailChimp that aligns with a particular topic or business. You can create your very own web development business with few startup costs to help you earn a little extra money on the side or as a full-time gig. If you're building a website from scratch, you can even buy a domain through MailChimp that aligns with a particular topic or business. You can create your very own web development business with few startup costs to help you earn a little extra money on the side or as a full-time gig. 10, start investing. Even though you can certainly take a look at alternative investment strategies such as real estate and cryptocurrency, don't forget about the traditional stock market. There are a lot of people who feel like they cannot invest in the stock market because they don't have enough money to do so. The good news is that there typically is no minimum balance to get started in the stock market. There are plenty of brokerage platforms out there. So you may want to take a look at a successful YouTube channel that will explain the differences between them. Um, that way you can select the best option to meet your needs. So 11, sell your art and photography. Okay. Another option is to sell your art and photography. If you are a creative person, you may want to consider selling your creative products to start making money online. For example, like if you love taking pictures of animals, you might be able to sell them online. Or if you have a knack for taking pictures of people, you may want to get hired as a photographer. You should try to take advantage of different social media marketing strategies that can help you get your name out there. That way, more people will learn about your art and photography, and they will be interested in the services you provide. 12, become an online translator or interpreter. Today, we live in a world that is more global than ever before. If you are able to speak a second language, you will immediately become more marketable just about everywhere. There are different types of translation projects you can work on. 13, create a podcast. Finally, you may want to think about creating a podcast to make money online. Podcasts have become more popular today than they ever were in the past. Lots of people enjoyed listening to podcasts because they can listen to them from just about anywhere. 14, become an online coach or consultant. Becoming an online coach or consultant opens up a world of opportunities to leverage your expertise and provide guidance to others while earning a sustainable income. Whether it's offering insights into fitness regimens, business strategies, personal development techniques, or any other specialized field, the online coaching and consulting industry caters to a wide range of niches. Selling digital products is a great money-making idea because it can help you generate passive income by packaging your knowledge, skills, or creativity into downloadable products. The key to success in selling digital products is understanding your target audience's needs and preferences within a specific niche. 16, become a remote customer service representative. As a remote customer service representative, you'll provide support and assistance to customers from anywhere with an internet connection. Businesses continue to embrace remote work, and the demand for remote customer service roles continues to grow. So, this Key skills for success in this role include excellent communication skills, problem solving abilities, and a customer centric mindset. Remote customer service representatives typically interact with customers via phone, email, chat, or social media platforms to address inquiries, resolve issues, and provide general support.